The Widget Reflector is a pretty straightforward debug tool for UIs in Unreal. You can find it under Tools, Debug, Widget Reflector, or Control plus Shift plus W. Then you highlight some UI in your game. Works on all types including Unreal's interface since it's made with Slate just the same. And you see what pops up, virtually identifying what your cursor is hovering on. Can even use it to check up on events, inputs, or save debug UI snapshots for further analysis later. Another handy feature is the application scale, which scales all of the interface in Unreal, though keep in mind that this setting resets upon closing the editor. But the one feature that I rarely see being talked about is demo mode, which can enable visualizing mouse and keyboard input. This can be very useful either as an accessibility setting when working with the editor, or even when making Unreal content online to not bother with adding overlays on top. This works even after the Widget Reflector window is closed. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.